What up guys, Matalong6 here, and today I got something a little special for you guys. So Kuhaimi reached out to me and sent me a capture card. They said, hey, we noticed that you made a video with the Elgato capture card, and we just wanted to let you know that there is a cheaper alternative out there. Let your audience know, so I'm letting you guys know. Link in the description. Anyways, we're going to unbox it today and take a look and see if this is worth it, because this is much cheaper. So let's go ahead and get to the box at least. Alright, so it comes just boring brown box. That's okay. So this Kuhaimi right here, here's the special box I was looking for. It is a awesome 4K gaming capture card that can do 120 frames per second. Now, we're not going to push it to its limits today. I don't have a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X, but I do have a PlayStation 4 and a Switch. So we're going to make sure it works on both of those in today's video. All right. Okay. So this design is actually kind of cool. A lot better than this one, because this looks kind of cool and kind of gamer. But this one looks kind of boring, but it does the job really well. So hopefully this can do the job really well as well. So we can see definitely a difference there. The Kuhaimi here has like a honeycomb green effect on the bottom. On the Elgato, the HDMI in and out are on opposite sides, whereas on the Kuhaimi you got them both on the same side. And then you got the USB-C type on the opposite side, whereas on the Elgato, it's on the same side as the in. Now, one thing I do notice is that this Elgato capture card that I have here does not come with ability to do mic and audio separate. It comes all in one, but that's neither here nor there. Just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and plug these into the video game system and let's capture some gameplay. Okay guys, so I'm at my computer right now and I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up, just in case you don't know how. If you would like to skip this, then go to this timestamp. Now, the first thing I noticed is that it came with an HDMI cable, but it didn't come with a USB-C cable to connect to your computer. So if you guys are looking for one of those because you don't have one, I don't know, make sure you get one that does a really good high data transfer, because you are sending video quality live through the wire. So I suggest go ahead and picking up this cord right here, because it's known to be good with data quality, and it's very similar to the one that I'm using today. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in real quick, show you what it looks like, and I'll show you how to set it up on OBS. So I just got finished plugging it in over there. It's kind of weird because it's solid red, but then it will start blinking, and it's still blinking when it has a connection. So if it blinks, you know that you did it right. That's honestly kind of annoying, but remember, this is $60 cheaper than an Elgato or any other higher end one, so keep that in mind. So now I'm going to share with you how to connect it on OBS, and then I'm going to show you quality of what it looks like compared to the Elgato HD60 Plus that I have. Okay, so here we are on OBS, and the first thing you're going to have to do is, obviously, I'm assuming you guys know a little bit about OBS watching this, so you have a scene here. I got my Elgato capture card set up right here, but now we need to set up this one. So let's go ahead and add a new source and add a video capture device. Let's go ahead and name it whatever you want. Go ahead and hit OK. Here it's going to pop up a whole bunch of things. Make sure that you select the device will be the 4K USB 3.0 Capture Card Pro, which is Kuhaimi. Let's go ahead and do that. And then you'll want to also do the color range at full to make it the most pretty. Go ahead and hit OK. Now left click this, make it highlight, and then right click it, or you can just right click it down here and go to transform. And then let's go ahead and fit the screen, and I'll pull it across the entire OBS window, so that way we can start playing this game. Now it sounds like the audio has already started automatically. If the audio did not start automatically, you would have to click add, then add a audio input capture, and then it should appear under devices as an option. So right here, it would be HDMI Capture Pro, accept. Now you notice it dimmed in the background. That has nothing to do with the audio. That's because my Switch is about to go to sleep. So let me go grab my controller. But you'll notice here, the audio is here. So quick pro tip on how to change your advanced audio settings so that way you can put your capture card on a separate track than your microphone, which is really nice. Now keep in mind, I have a completely separate microphone than the Switch has its own audio input, so it's going to be separate. Now if you're going to be sitting with an actual headset connected to the Switch, I don't know how to do that. I would have to do some research. Anyways, on OBS you're going to click this, click advanced audio properties, and then it'll pop this up. You can stretch it out to be bigger if you want, and you notice here that I have my microphone set to track 2, and then I'm going to set my capture card to track only 3. And then I always have a base set where the first one's always checked, and my microphones are always number 2, and then the audio, game audio, is always number 3. So if my editor wants to share with you right now, you'll notice that he's able to raise the volume of the game right now and lower it back down, as well as make me quieter and quieter and quieter, as well as raise me back up. And he can do that at his own rate as he sees fit for the video. Regardless, we are here about picture, so we're going to take a look at the picture. All right guys, so here I am on my couch here, and we got Pikmin 3 up. We are going to go ahead and share with you what it looks like here on the Switch. Then I'm going to play some Call of Duty on my PlayStation 4, and I'm going to do my best to compare and contrast the Kuhaimi versus the Elgato's version. So let's go ahead and get started. Exploration day 28. Ooh, that was kind of cool. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that, guys. Look at that view. Compare that view. We got spiders over there running around. We got that guy sleeping down there. We got the anteater back there in the corner. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. This is really cool. So I don't know about you guys, but to me it seemed like that the Elgato and the Kuhaimi right here are basically the same when it comes to quality. So I definitely would consider getting the cheaper one right here, guys. Remember, link in the description. Let's go ahead and move on over to Call of Duty on the PlayStation 4. Okay guys, I know what you're thinking. Why am I playing the worst Call of Duty that has ever existed? Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Well, it's because I was going to play Call of Duty remastered version, Modern Warfare, but it requires PlayStation Plus, even though it comes on the disc or something. I don't know. That's really annoying. I don't have PlayStation Plus at the time of recording this video because I've been playing more on the PC and more on the Switch. So we're just going to load up a random campaign. I beat this entire game on veteran, by the way. So we're going Black Sky Under Attack.
You got you, Lieutenant.
Did not.
Oh, there we go. Looks pretty.
These guns are working overtime today, huh, Admiral? A lot of Allied traffic. Always vigilant, Lieutenant.
You familiar with the air intercept systems, Ethan?
Earth's Iron Shield. Major firepower.
Vengeance, this is Raven 6. We're on final approach.
Copy 6. Vengeance is awaiting your arrival.
Admiral, sir.
What is it, Ethan?
The Aegis guns. They appear to be tracking our fleet. Incoming!
Ooh.
Hold on! Killjoy! I can't control her!
STF destroyer inbound!
All stations, shots fired at the Aegis control tower. Say again, shots fired.
I barely remember any of
This is
this.
not a drill. Convert and deploy all available assets immediately. Brace for impact! Hold on!
Why is everyone dying in front of me? Die! Die! Die, 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 die. I'm on recruit. I can't die, right? I have like a lot of health. What is this gun? Okay, let's record a little bit of me playing on the Elgato. All right, guys, we're on the Elgato now. Let's kill these guys. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, frag, thank you, man. I'll use that right now. Boom, there it goes. Let's see if it gets anyone. Whoa, that's a big explosion. All right, got some new gun. That's gonna explode. All right, we're on the Kuhaimi now. Let's go. Finish this mission. Oh, is that Neil Armstrong? Oh. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think of the Kuhaimi. Were you able to tell the difference? I wasn't really able to tell the difference. These aren't the best games to test on, but they still get the idea. Now, I did want to give a little more than what our gameplay was here, so I went ahead and recorded the intros of Mario Strikers Battle League on the Switch, and we'll show you the best moments of that intro sequence. And also, we went ahead and tried out Breath of the Wild. Now, it is only on the Wii U, so it's going to be, I think, 720. If it was on the Switch, I think it's at 900p. But anyways, I want to go ahead and share with you a little bit of Zelda Breath of the Wild intro cutscenes, just so you guys can compare. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think. Link for both of these capture cards in the description. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy, and God bless. Peace. I'm gonna go to my couch right now, and let's take a look. Why do I have to go to my couch? Screw it, we'll stay right here.